Hello, good morning, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to your mathematics class. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home. So, my dear students, today we will revise exercise 2C, that is 4-digit numbers on the abacus. But very first, we will see the solution of previous homework. Okay? So, here you can see the solution of previous homework. In previous class, I had given you to solve exercise 2B, and we had already solved question number 1. Okay? And you had to solve question number 2 and 3 and 4. So, in this chapter, we had to count these blocks and find out the numbers. Okay? So, as we know, these single blocks represent 1000. So, if here is 4 these blocks, so it means here will be 4000, and this blocks represent 100. So if 2 blocks, so it means 200, and this vertical is represent 110. So it means the number is 4210, and we have to write it in standard form, word form and expanded form. Okay, so here is written, you can see in standard form 4210, in word form like this 4210, and in expanded form 4000 plus 200 and plus 10. Okay, number third, here we can see there is 5 blocks, so it means 5000, and 6 block of 10, so 6 tens, it means the number is 5060, and we will write it in firstly in standard form, so 5060, and in word form 5060 in words, and in expanded form 5000 plus 16, and you can also write it in 5000 plus 0 plus 60 and plus 0. Okay, it's totally depend on you how you want to write it. Number 4, there is 3 block of 1000, so it means 3000, and 8 single blocks, so 8 ones, so the number is 3008. Okay, we will write it in standard form 3008, in word form 3008 in word, and in expanded form 3000 plus 8, and we can write it 3000 plus 0 plus 0 and then plus 8. Okay, you can write both of them, 3000 plus 8 or 3000 plus 0 plus 0 and plus 8. I hope you all have done your work, so match your answers with this solution. Okay, and now I am going to start our today's class. So let's see. Today we will revise exercise 2C, that is 4-digit numbers on the abacus. So you can see here this is an abacus, and abacus is used for calculating numbers. Like 3-digit numbers, we can show a 4-digit number also on spike abacus consisting of 4 spikes. Yeah, these 4 spikes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 spikes. And these 4 spikes represent with right ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, so now come on, exercise. Question number first is write the numbers shown on each spike abacus in all the forms. You can see here in abacus, and these are small beads. It represents numbers. Okay, so in this we have to count these small beads and write number, and we have to write number in following 3 forms: standard form, word form and expanded form. Okay, so as you can see, in A is already solved, is already written. So we will look at B. In B, we will start from right means from ones. So at ones place, count how many beads are here. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads. So it means 4 ones. So we will write here 4. Okay, and at tens place 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. And at 100 place 1 and 2. So 200. And at 1000 place 1 beads. It means 1000. So we get number 1234. And now we have to write number it in standard form. So how we can write it in standard form? Like this: 1234. Okay, we will put a comma between 1000 and 234. So this is standard form. Second form is word form. So let's see, we have to write 1234 in words. हमें 1234 को शब्दों में राइट करना है. ओके, सो वी विल राइट 1000 200 30 and 4. 34. 1234. Okay, and last form is expanded form. So we can write expanded form like this: 1 at 1's place, so it means 1000, plus 2 at 10's place, so 100 place, it means 200. 3 at 10's place, so there will be 30, and 4 at 1's place, so 4. So this is the expanded form: 1000 plus 200 plus 30 and plus 4. We have written expanded form according to their place value. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can write it. So now remaining question C, D, E, F and G you have to solve. You have to fill your book. Okay, and let's see question number second. Question number second is represent each of the following numbers on the spike abacus. So this question is just opposite of question number 1. In question number 1, there was drawn beads on a spike and we have to count these beads and found the numbers. But in question number 2, here is given number and we have to draw beads on a spike according to number. Okay, so there is a number 2725. So it means at one space we have to draw 5 beads. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly at tens place, here written 2, it means we have to draw 2 beads, 1 and 2. Okay, at 100 place 7, it means we have to draw 7 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and at 1000 place 2, so we have to draw 2 beads. Okay, like this we have to do this question. So similarly you have to solve remaining question from here to here. Okay, look at question number 3. Write the numbers in standard form. So here is given number 6832 and we have to write it in standard form. As you can see, one has done. So here is written 6832. Similarly, we have to solve second. Here is 5218. So we have to write it in standard form. So we can write it like this, 5218. Okay. So remaining question you have to solve. And number 4th, fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. One has been done for you. In question number 4, we have to fill these blanks with correct number. So how we will do it? Look here. Here is written 1000. Okay. In this 0 at ones place, this 0 at tens place, and this 0 at 100 place, and 1 at 1000 place. So we have to write it like this. At ones place 0, again at tens place 0, and again at 100 place 0, and at 1000 place which number is? So this is 1. In B, here is number 2040. 2040. So in this number 0 at ones place, 4 at tens place, and 0 at 100 place, and 2 at 1000 place. So tell me which number at 1000 place? So this is 2. So we will fill here 2. Next, hundreds. So which number at 100 place? So this is 0. So we will fill here 0. And at tens place which number is? So this is 4. 4 at tens place. And ones. So which number at ones place? So this is 0. Again 2040. So like this you have to solve it. You have to solve C, D and E. So I hope you all have understood how we will solve this exercise from question 1 to 4. And this is your homework. You have to solve remaining question from all question, from question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to fill in your book. Okay, so thank you and God bless you.